Hey, it's Dr. Tucker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. And if you're following along in our gut check program, you already know this information. But one of the things that we discuss is that the cells that line your intestinal tract are sitting on a membrane, and underneath that membrane is something called the submucosa. And all of that is made out of a particular type of collagen. So, collagen is critical for intestinal health. Now, do you need to take a collagen supplement versus a really good protein supplement? That is a question for the ages, and everyone has their little debate, and I've seen research going in both directions. So I don't want to get into that. But what I would tell you is this. If you will take a high quality collagen supplement, one where the collagen comes from a grass-fed animal and is hydrolyzed, if you take that supplement with vitamin C, something called hyaluronic acid, the combination of those three things will absolutely improve not just your hair and your nails and your skin, but the lining of your intestinal tract, which will improve digestion. And someone who has a healthy digestive tract has a tendency to have naturally glowing skin. Anyway, they also have the tendency to be able to lose a little weight. And here's a little pro tip. Take saw palmetto with that. It improves your hair, nails, and skin, especially in women who are perimenopausal. All right, there's a tip for you. The colorectal surgeon who owns the med spa. Find that at your regular doctor's office, huh? Only here, baby.